Hello everyone, this is what I got from the mail. Before we open this, please subscribe to our channel, like, comment and share our videos. So let's get started. First we have to cut this because it's made very good. They have packaged this very good and strong. Look at this package. They have made it very strong. They made sure that this is not gonna break at all. Let's cut this here also so we can open the box. He's made it very professional. I like the work that they done to this package. And here we are. Finally, there we are. Nikon Coolpix P900. Original box. So let's see what's inside. SOL Wales. This is the instructions. Instruction for the camera. Okay. This is the handle for the camera. Very nice. Here we have for recharging the battery, universal adapter, safety shutter. I like this very much. This is the recharge. And I believe this is connected to the PCL also, so you can download the photos or videos. This here is probably the charger. This is the battery of the camera, as you can see. And here we have the battery for the camera. Let's see what else is inside. Of course, we have the camera also. Very well packed, and here it is. I like his shape. This shape is very nice. Here it is. Display. This is the power of the lens. like it very much. This is very good camera, and its shape is very unique. It's very lovely. The grip here is very good. So let's try and start this camera to see how does it go. First we have to put the battery on. That is right here where it says battery on and the card on. Here you go. So we open the battery slot, we insert the battery like this, we close it, and let's try it on. There you go, the initial settings. English, okay. Choose time zone and set date, yes. London, no. Because we are in Italy, we have to try and find Rome. But Madrid, Paris and Berlin is okay. Day, month, year. Today is 25 January 2019. The clock is 19:50. There you go. The display is very nice too. Okay, so this is everything that it has in the box. The box was very beautiful, very well packed. So, if you like our video, don't forget to subscribe, comment below, like and share our videos. Thank you very much.